Hello students, today I am going to discuss the chapter linear equations with one variable. So before going to discuss this chapter, I want to explain what is a variable first. In earlier classes already we have learned, but still before that going to the chapter, once again I want to discuss about the variable and what is one variable and then what is the equation. So after completing those concepts, then I will go to the actual whatever the concepts you are having in the chapter, that we'll discuss. Okay. So first of all, what is a variable? So variable means it is nothing but which changes its value. So that means whatever the alphabet will actually denote with some alphabet, or else X or Y or else A, B, etc. whatever it is, we'll assume. And then this, according to the given thing, if it changes the value, then that is nothing but the variable. Suppose if it is having 10 chocolates are there. So 10 chocolates, if I split to only one, means if I given to one child, so that means all 10 will get one child. So if 10 chocolates, if I split to 2 children, that means if I given to 2 children, so here 10 variable, the best example is suppose 3x you are having. So 3x you are having means if x is equal to 1, if I take 3 into 1, you will get what? 3. If x is equal to 2, 3 into 2, you are getting 6. If x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, you will get 9. So that means whatever the x value, if you are taking 1, you are getting 1 value. If you are taking 2x value in this expression, you will get different value. If it is 3, again different. That means depending upon these values, the value of the given expression is changing. So this is nothing but, this value is nothing but the variable. Why? Because it is variating. So it is changing its value. So depending upon that value, the complete value will change. So here x is a variable, we'll say. This is nothing but variable. So variable is nothing but what? It changes its value. It varies, it differs. So it varies, means changing. So this is nothing but the variable actually. Now coming to the one variable. So one variable means, what is one variable or two variables means? Before going to the variable, so once I will take the expression and equation I will show, and then I will go with the. So expression means suppose 3x plus 5 is there, or else 5y plus 2 is there. So these are the expressions we will say. So exactly what expression I will explain. But here this is one expression and this is one expression we are having. So in this, on the complete value, so you are having only one variable here, only one variable. So here also one variable only, that is nothing but y we are having. Suppose if I take, this is nothing but one variable expressions, we'll say. One variable expressions. Suppose if I take 2x plus 5y plus 6. So in this expression we are having two variables, that is nothing but x is one variable and y is another variable. So this is not one variable expression. So one variable expression means nothing but which it have throughout the expression, you will have only one variable. So that is nothing but the one variable expression. This is nothing but two variable expression. We'll say two variable expression. So that is the difference between one variable, two variable. If it is you are having 2x plus 3y plus 5z is there. So this is nothing but three variable expression, we'll say. Three variable expression. So like this, different kinds of variable expressions we are having. But now we are discussing in this chapter with only one variable. So that means these type of expressions will